This animation explains the 4 phases of drug research. Developing a vaccine takes a lot of time because it must go through several phases before being eligible for approval. It is a very precise and time-consuming process. Phase 1 investigates whether the new drug is safe and what the exact effects are on the human body. This is done with a small number of healthy volunteers who take doses of the drug. The drug dosage is increased over time and under the supervision of doctors. Regular checks, which often include blood tests, can be used to decide if the drug is safe and effective. In Phase 2, the drug's effectiveness is tested on a small number of patients with the condition the drug is developed for. It is also tested on a group of healthy volunteers to see whether the drug works safely, and the same with short-term use. In the 3rd phase, the drug is tested in the correct dosage for effectiveness and usefulness in larger groups of patients. During this phase, it should become clear whether the vaccine can actually prevent people from getting sick if they come into contact with the pathogen. The drug may also be compared with other drugs or with a fake drug known as a placebo. The drug's short and long-term safety continues to be investigated in this phase. If the new drug has successfully passed all 3 phases, it will be offered to an independent, national, European or American drug agency. These agencies ultimately decide whether the drug is allowed to be made available to the market and to the public. However, even after approval, these agencies will continue to monitor the use, watch for any side effects, and if necessary will sometimes withdraw the drug license. In the 4th and final phase, the drug has been registered. The drug can continue to be investigated on how it works best and whether it can also be used for other conditions. It takes a lot of time, rigorous testing, and sufficient test volunteers before a new drug can be registered. Unregistered drugs have not gone through this process. If you are asked to participate in scientific research, first be well informed about the possible advantages and disadvantages of the drug. Ultimately, you decide for yourself whether you want to participate or not. A safe and effective vaccine is incredibly valuable. The sooner there is a safe and effective vaccine against COVID-19, the better. This animation is produced by Informed for general and unlimited use and powered by our partners.